forward time. This is Wellington Railway Station, and first we go to the bus station, which has the most confusing floor numbering on some Schindler M series hydraulic lifts I've ever seen. I mean, the lower floor is called floor 0, and then the upper floor is called the ground floor. And the first lift, which goes up to stop D, had its buttons replaced with new Schindler M line fixtures. Let's take a look at it. Here's the lift on one of the bus stations. It is, in fact, a Schindler lift, actually. 0. 780 kgs or 11 persons. It is not in the best condition because of it just being vandalised. More confusing when he calls it Mountain 0. Obviously, full indicator on the doesn't work. Let's go back up. And stop D. Yeah. Using what they call it ground 0. That's some full numbering. And now to the lift up to stops A, B, and C, which is another Schindler M series hydraulics, and the floor indicators are completely dead on this lift. Here it is, lift in bad condition. Yep. Lift does work. Oh, interesting. It's got an intercom. Here is the lift. Let's go. It's such a bad state. The floor kit doesn't even work. Oh my god, what the flip is this lift? Got 0. And yeah, floor indicators don't work on any side of the lift. Let's see if we can go back up. Oh, we can, okay. Let's go back up to ground. So we don't get caught. Oh, that was a big startup. Ground. Okay, the lift isn't in a too bad state, but due to vandalism, it looks like it. In fact, maybe I should make this up to see it, so if people get stuck, you can obviously notice it at first sight. That's it. No, escalator's working. Let's take a look at that. Nice Schindler escalator. Yeah, number 3 up there. And there is lift in bad condition. Oh, let's hope we don't get stuck when we ride it. And that's it. And now to Victoria University, which is actually part of the Wellington Railway Station. And the first lift used to be some nice exclusives, but they've now been modernised to look like cone eco-discs. Let's ride them. Oh dear, both lifts are out of service. That's interesting. And here are the lifts, some old express which have been modernised by cone. This one, the lifts.
Going up.
Oh, this looks nice. Let's go 12. Let's go 11. This is nice and fast. Indicator.
11th floor.
Yeah, full 12's locked. So yeah. 11. Also there. Basement. These are nice and fast.
Basement. Going up.
Oh yeah, the lift's being refurbished, that's why. As you can see over there, the lifts are being refurbished.
Ground floor.
1,100 kgs or 16 persons.
Going up.
Oh dear. Construction with noises spoken first of 2019 onwards. Oh, so these could be construction lifts. This goes to the left. And that. And now, we go to Old Government House, which is owned by Victoria University. And this building was built in like the 1920s, I think. And the first lifts are some shilling series, which have probably been added on later. And these lifts have 2 floor indicators, which is pretty bizarre and not really that necessary. So here we have Shimmer M series. I don't know why I didn't call that elevator. Here is the lift. If you're looking here, it's
Going in, Daniel?
Yep.
Down?
Yep. 3. Yeah, something else has this indicator, but it's got the some indicators as well. It's a little dark. We're at ground. Yeah, it's got red front we put down. It's the opposite actually. Yeah, this is somewhere somehow stuck on floor 1, so that's it. And in this building there was also a gated express lift, which I forgot to film annoyingly. But don't worry, I will be back to get a take of this express gated lift, and it will probably be in its own separate video, so stay tuned. And now along to the officer section of Wellington Railway Station, and along to the western part, which has some current second generation eco-discs. This section used to be on Victoria University, but it isn't anymore. Yeah, this the next of some Wellington Station. These are set a few eco discs. Yeah, we got like right after someone goes to floor 5, so let's take a look at these lifts. Which lift is going to come? Oh, this lift. Great, let's test our priority then first. Oh no, that does not look good. But yeah, we'll test our priority first now. Right. Okay, so yeah, bad condition eco-disc. But let's press the button to call floor 5. And if you check a look here, it's now in priority service. So yeah. Yeah, it's in priority service now, so it's gonna go straight to 5. This lift's actually going to move? I don't know. Oh, yeah, found 4 locked. We have floor 3. Might have a big bad condition to be for this again. Go to grounds. So yeah, apparently priority service doesn't work because see, doesn't. So yeah, button to put it in priority service. Look at this. Yeah, just look at go in priority service. So priority service and let's see, does it go anywhere? Or not? Oh, okay. I guess he'll put it off somewhere. And yeah, lift some priority service. It's going up. It's like the disabled button at where lift that was. Doesn't seem to be going up, so I don't think it does. And that goes nowhere. What? Oh, it only goes as far as 3. Yeah, I don't think it's going there. That's it. And now, in the main hallway of the Wellington Rail Station, there is another Otis lift, but sadly it is locked off. So now we go to the eastern side of Wellington Railway Station. And the lifts here are some Otis Speak 60 elevators with the Otis Series 1 fixtures, even though on the outside they've had their fixtures replaced to look like Otis modernised them. Okay, these are lifts in the other section of the office building. It's interesting. Let's go. Except here, despite it has that front indicator, look what it's got on the inside. Somehow it's Otis L Series 1. It's American edition too. Yeah, it doesn't have the chime, so that's disappointing. But at least it's Otis Series. Oh, it's an Otis Spec 60! Oh my god, I think this... What the hell is that? Did something just happen? I think it's just in a bad state. Yeah, glitched. Interesting sign. Here we are, ground. And this is a very bizarre lift. Looking at the outside fixture being replaced, but the inside ones are still original. That's it.